Welcome everyone to the Art of Crochet project. Today's crochet tutorial will show you how to make the herringbone stitch, and as you can see, it is sort of a slanted stitch and it gives a V shape sort of to the pattern. It's an excellent stitch for hats, scarves. It can be worked in the round. It can be worked back and forth. And it looks good on both sides. So let's begin. So to start, we will make a slip knot. I'm using 2 strands of a lightweight yarn so that I have a thickness to it, and it should be easier for you to see on camera. Okay, so let's start by chaining 9. Okay, now to start our first stitch, we're going to chain 2, yarn over, and we're going to go into the 3rd chain from the hook, yarn over. Now we have the 3 loops on our hook. So what we're going to do at this point, we're going to pull that first loop through the middle loop, yarn over, work off 1 loop, yarn over, work off 2 loops. That is our first herringbone stitch. So yarn over, insert in the next chain, yarn over, have your 3 loops on your hook, pull the bottom loop through the middle loop, yarn over, work off 1 loop, yarn over, work off the remaining 2. Okay. I find that pulling the loop through as a second part of the stitch is easier for me to complete rather than just yarning over and pulling it through that loop all at once. So I break down my stitch by pausing when I get all the loops on my hook and then pulling this through. I almost wanted to yarn over like I was doing a double crochet. We're almost to the last of this row. And what you will notice is that these stitches are slanted sort of to the left. So for our next row, we chain 2 and we turn, yarn over, and this row will slant the other direction since we have turned. Now if you're working in the round, say making a hat, then you would have all your stitches slanting all in the same direction. But since we're turning it, one row will slant one direction and the other row will slant the other direction. I usually like to have stitch here on the end. So you should be able to start to see the herringbone pattern there. Thank you for watching. Remember, you are amazing. And if you have any questions, message me. And if you like this video, please subscribe and press the thumbs up. Thank you again.